This is tj.rozansky with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over innovative tools in fire cleanup, a look at odor removal technologies. Fire damage isn't just about visible destruction. It leaves behind lingering smoke odors that require advanced solutions. Here's how cutting-edge technology eliminates fire-related odors. Understanding fire cleanup. Fire damage often includes water, smoke, mold, and even sewage issues. Proper odor removal ensures complete restoration in a safe environment. Advanced odor removal technologies. Ozone generators. These produce ozone, O3, that breaks down odor-causing molecules, penetrating fabrics and hard-to-reach areas. Thermal fogging. Uses heated deodorizing fog to bind with smoke, mold, and sewage contaminants, neutralizing persistent odors. HEPA air scrubbers. These capture 99.97% of airborne particles, removing smoke residue and mold spores from the air. Activated carbon filters. Absorb odor molecules, ensuring clean, fresh air by eliminating fire, smoke, and sewage smells. Comprehensive restoration services. Fire damage restoration removes soot, smoke, and structural damage. Water damage mitigation prevents mold growth after fire efforts. Mold remediation eliminates hidden mold spores before they spread. Sewage cleanup addresses contamination when plumbing systems are compromised. For all these reasons is why you need to make sure to be using these types of technologies whenever you have a fire damage emergency. For PDQ, we are an expert in fire and water damage restoration. If you have any questions, please give us a call today.